We are here in beautiful Quarryville, Pennsylvania, in the backyard of Paul Risk Construction. Our office is right up this street. Here to check in with project manager Kirk Taylor. We're going to talk to Ray Ann and Jill from the Solid Rock team. So we're about to kick off this project. It's going to create a lot of impact in the Quarryville community. Let's get in there. Mr. Kirk, how are you?
Hey, how are you doing today? I like your hat. It was good to see you. Hey, Mason, right?
Well, what a fun project we have here. Can you give us just a bit of an overview?
As you can see here, we're going to remodel some of this, rearrange some of the offices, put in a nice new prep kitchen, nice new accessible bathrooms, eating areas. And this will be pretty much a community room, multi-purpose room back here where you'll be able to play basketball and some table storage.
And it's going to really revolutionize this space, which has been car dealerships over the past few years.
Yeah, car dealerships and auto repair shops. So,
well, since we're in the building, rather than just looking at the blueprints, let's go check it out.
Absolutely. Let's take a walk into this area here. That's going to be the new community room over here. We're going to have multiple areas for seating and tables, for lunches, and some other activities they may have here in the evenings. Over here, we're going to have our prep kitchen area. And then in the back two corners, we're going to have our brand new ADA accessible restrooms and all brand new and fresh for the kids to use.
Wow. It's such a great space, right? Like it's such openness and the huge windows with the light. And we're right here on State Street, so such accessibility to the community core. Yeah. Thanks for your role as project manager here. I'm going to go check in with Ray Ann and Jill.
All right, thank you. See you.
Wow, what an amazing space. I'm catching the vision for what this could be.
So we love it.
So Ryan, what is this going to be?
Yeah, so this is going to be a multi-purpose room. And so imagine dodgeball when you walk in.
I'm imagining it. It's awesome.
We're just so excited just to get students into the doors here at Solid Rock.
I mean, the building has so much potential. I love the vision that you have to make that into a reality. And I know we connected maybe over a year ago talking about this project, but share an update with us of what's changed since then.
Yeah, so God has been just doing incredible things here at Solid Rock. And so one of the things is we're trying to pay off the building. And so that was phase one. And in January, God made a way and we are completely mortgage free. And so we're just so excited with that. And so now that makes it head into phase two of our capital campaign. And so that means we're starting renovations with you guys.
That's right. We're so excited to partner with you to make this a reality and to see all the miracles that are already happening, right? So let's talk about that a little bit. I know this is a community effort to make this possible. So yeah, where are you at fundraising wise? How can people get involved?
Yeah, well, we believe that God wants to use his people here. And so we've just been seeing all the ways that people have been getting involved. The whole reason that we're here so soon is because there was a family in the community that believed in the mission of Solid Rock and gave a super generous gift. And so now here we stand about over 50% raised for this first floor. As fundraising continues, we love for people to get involved and to come see this space. It is so much bigger than you think just in a floor plan. So we'd love for people to come see our space, give online, they can give through checks. There are all different ways that you can come get involved with our building project. So
well, I would encourage people, come pay a visit, pour out in generosity because there's a lot of impact, and the more funding, the more impact, right? It's that simple, right? So
yeah,
I know the project is heading toward finalizing the designs, entering into submitting for permitting, and so we're gonna start to see some changes coming up. So looking forward to that, and we'll keep everyone posted as that goes along. But thank you both for partnering with us. God bless you both. Thank you about the great work.